Your data export should not take hours to turn into a presentation people can actually use. Data2Slide is an AI presentation maker that turns CSV, Excel, PDF, or screenshot inputs into an interactive deck. Upload the file. Add a simple role and goal, like, I'm a sales manager, quarterly revenue by region. From there, the system checks whether your data is ready to support charts, KPIs, and clear analysis. It looks for metrics, categories, dates, missing values, file size, and sensitive columns before shaping the story. Data2Slide keeps the workflow focused on decisions, clean charts, and outcomes you can share. That means even an ordinary export can become a presentation built for live presenting, sharing, or offline download. The goal is simple: less prompt engineering, fewer manual slides, and a deck created in under 5 minutes. If your next presentation starts with raw data, Data2Slide helps turn it into something ready to show.